everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have Ava here with me, and if you don't know me, my name is Amy. And, oh, she's eating macaroni and cheese. Don't mind her. Right? Oh, you're making a mess. Okay. Anyways, so this video we are going to make mosquito repellent bundles to put in a campfire. So what you'll need is you'll need some tin foil, and I have my herbs here, which is it's mint, lavender, and sage. So what you do is you get your tin foil and you just put all of the herbs that you want in here. And with the tin foil, it helps because it helps it burn longer in the campfire. So we have that, and I also am going to add a little bit of essential oils to it as well. And this is just lavender oil and peppermint, just to give it extra potency. So, Ava, are you gonna make one too? Okay, well, you're just gonna grab and you're gonna put some right here.
This one smells like a real one.
Yeah. Yep. And then just add let's see. You can add that.
I'm gonna tell you something. We're going camping tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going camping, so that's why we're making this, right?
Yeah. And we always just go camping with my cousin Avery.
Yeah.
We always. I'm gonna go camping with her 100 days.
Okay. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of lavender oil. Okay, maybe a lot, but the more potency, the better, right?
You know, hair is in my mouth.
You have hair in your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
And then this is just the peppermint oil. I don't know why it won't come out. There it goes.
I want to tell you something. I'm 6.5, and I go to first grade.
Oh, and the other thing that you will need is something just to poke some holes into the tin foil. You're gonna hold it? All right, and now we're just going to wrap this up. Hold on, honey.
Why only got one?
Hold on, honey. So yep, we're just gonna wrap it up like this. And I'm just gonna squeeze the ends.
Mama.
Fold the ends over. All right, and this is what it will look like. And then I'm just gonna take this toothpick and I'm gonna poke some holes in it so that when it burns.
Mama, you don't want to me or what?
Yeah, so that is how you make campfire mosquito repellent bundles. And I guess you can even dry out your herbs and just hang them around. And I guess that repels the mosquitoes also. So, and I've never done it before, so we'll see exactly how well it works.
I'm gonna tell you something. I go to Grandma Grandpa's work one time, and we have candy there.
There was candy at Grandpa's work?
Yeah.
What kind of candy?
Beans.
M&Ms?
Yeah. No. Okay. Okay.
All right. So
no, it's beans,
here they are.
Candy beans, and
like hot tamales? Were they spicy? No? I have no idea what you're talking about then. So yeah, here is our campfire mosquito repellent bundle. Super easy to make. I just grew the herbs myself. Otherwise you could just go to, like, I don't know, a greenhouse and get some that are already grown. So yeah, but here it is. All right, well, as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All right, Bye. Ava, say bye.
Bye.
She's too busy eating her mac and cheese. Bye.